National Weather Service in Rapid City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Custer County in southwestern South Dakota, western Oglala Lakota County in southwestern South Dakota, Fall River County in southwestern South Dakota, until 8:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 7:38 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles north of Cottonwood Springs Dam to 4 miles south of Cascade Falls to 7 miles northwest of Montrose, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Automated observations recently recorded wind gusts over 60 miles per hour at Minnetonka Junction. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: automated observations. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hot Springs, Angostura Reservoir, Cold Brook Reservoir, Southern Wind Cave National Park, and Cottonwood Springs Dam around 7:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Maverick Junction around 7:50 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Oral, Buffalo Gap, Ulrichs, Snicknick, Hay Canyon Butte, Prairie Ones Casino, intersection of Red Shirt and CUNY Table Roads, Red Shirt Table Overlook, Oglala, Drywood Housing, Lowman, and Slim Butte. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following areas in South Dakota: Custer, Fall River, and Oglala Lakota.